Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add tax file number to your Westpac account. So all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
In the Westpac app, make sure you update to the latest version of the app. Search tax file number. Select the account you wish to update. Tap Choose option. Tap Enter tax file number or Declare tax file number exemption. Enter details and tap Update. Repeat above steps for all accounts you wish to provide TFN. And you are done. Method 2. In online banking, go to Services and then Preferences. Now tap Tax file number. Select Update tax file number. Enter the SMS code sent to your registered mobile and select Authorize. Select the account you wish to update. Enter your TFN or TFN exemption and select Save. Repeat above steps for all accounts you wish to provide TFN. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily add TFN to your Westpac account. Okay, so if this video will helpful, please hit like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.